government support for the VLSI industry. So, example, this is, you are watching this video because of the Telangana government supported to create this playlist, create this series of videos and webinars to introduce VLSI for the enthusiastic engineers or aspiring engineers. In the same way, like the government of India is giving lot of benefits, or it is giving a lot of opportunities for the startups, for the institutes to teach the engineers about the VLSI tools, VLSI industry. Like we are nowadays, we have a specialized ECE program with a BTech in VLSI and chip to startup, C2S is a program. So, where colleges are maybe the startups are small industries, so they can come up with a new project and then government will support by providing the tools to it. So, normally the tools are like Synopsys tools, Cadence, Mentor Graphics, these tools are very costly. I mean, maybe sometimes colleges may not afford it, but government is giving at a actually free of cost to the colleges and to the organizations who are willing to work and create a chips. So, this is, government is creating the whole ecosystem. So, that is it is covering the industry as well as the organizations or universities and institutes, and it is collaboratively, it is creating the whole ecosystem for VLSI.